Hi, myself, Dr. Kunal Singh, consultant spine surgeon at Synapse Spine. I did my MBBS from Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Wardha, my post graduation from PGI Swastiyog, Miraj. I did my fellowship in spine surgery and robotic spine surgery under Dr. Varun Agarwal. I did my minimal invasive spine surgery from Misab in Rohilkhand Medical College. I did my endoscopic spine fellowship under Dr. Kangtaek Lim at AN Hospital, Incheon, South Korea. My hobbies are to play any outdoor sport. I was awarded as best sports person in 2016 in my university. Here in Synapse Spine, my keen interest is in minimal invasive spine surgeries like endoscopic spine surgery, tube spine surgery.